Hey, future scientists! Professor Astro here. Are you ready for some mind-blowing, fizztastic fun? Today, we're going to build our very own volcano right in this lab. And the best part, we're going to make it erupt. It's super easy, super fun, and you probably have everything you need right in your kitchen. So, grab your lab coats, put on your thinking caps, and let's get ready to make some science magic happen. First things first, let's talk about safety. Science is all about exploring, but we always want to be safe while we do it. So, find a grown-up to be your lab partner. Got one? Great! Also, it's a good idea to do this experiment on a tray or maybe even outside, because our volcano might get a little messy. And trust me, a messy experiment is usually the most fun. Alright, let's gather our materials. We'll need a small bottle or a cup. This will be the heart of our volcano. Then, you'll need some baking soda, which you might find in your kitchen pantry. And our secret ingredient for the big eruption, vinegar. You can also grab some food coloring if you want to make your lava a cool color, like red or orange. And finally, some modeling clay or even just some dirt from the backyard to build our volcano mountain around the bottle. Ready to build? Let's go! Take your bottle and place it right in the middle of your tray. Now, take your modeling clay or dirt and start building a mountain shape all around the bottle. Make sure you don't cover the opening at the top. That's where the lava will come out. Be creative. Make your volcano look tall and mighty, or short and wide. It's your creation, so you're the boss. Once your volcano structure is complete, it's time to prepare for the eruption. This is where the real excitement begins. Take about 2 or 3 spoonfuls of baking soda and carefully pour it into the bottle at the center of your volcano. A funnel can be really helpful here if you have one. If you're using food coloring, now's the time to add a few drops into the bottle with the baking soda. This will give our lava its awesome color. Now, for the grand finale. Is everyone ready? Is your grown-up lab partner watching? Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to pour the vinegar into the bottle and see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pour in the vinegar and watch the magic. Whoa, look at that. Eruption. All that fizzy, bubbly foam is flowing out of our volcano, just like real lava. Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen? It's a colorful, bubbling explosion. And listen, you can even hear it fizzing and popping. That's the sound of science in action. So, what just happened? Are you wondering how we made our volcano erupt? It's not magic, it's science. When we mixed the baking soda and the vinegar together, they had a chemical reaction. Think of it like they're two new friends meeting for the first time and getting really, really excited. This excitement creates a gas called carbon dioxide. That's the same gas that makes the bubbles in your soda. All those bubbles needed to escape, so they pushed their way up and out of the bottle, creating our amazing eruption. You see, science is everywhere. Even in your kitchen, you just created a chemical reaction with simple things you have at home. How awesome is that? You can try this again with different amounts of baking soda and vinegar to see if you can make a bigger or smaller eruption. That's what being a scientist is all about, asking questions and experimenting to find the answers. What a fantastic job, everyone! You built a volcano and made it erupt. You are all official scientists now. I had so much fun with you today. Remember, science is all about being curious and having fun. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. Thanks for joining me in the lab today. If you had fun, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science adventures. Until next time, stay curious.